SLACKROBATS here. Are you ready to train? We are. Alright, we're going to take it to the line. It's going to be a little bit different today. We're not actually going to be getting on the line like slackline style. It's more conditioning style. First thing we're going to do is shoulder taps. Come into a plank pose, wrist under shoulders, feet on the line. From here, you're going to lift up to the center of your back and just do some shoulder taps. Slow and engage. Try not to move my hips too far back like this as I switch. So we're not going for this. We're going for more of that. Okay, now progression 2 is roaming plank. We're going to take our left foot and our left hand, move it out wide, and then bring our right foot and hand back into plank position. Roaming plank. Cross the line. So, most important thing here, don't fall into the low back. Stay integrated. If you need to take a break, come down, do so. Okay? Train intelligently. Now we got progression 3. So we started with just shoulder taps, then we went to roaming plank. Now we're going to do roaming shoulder taps. What's fun about this exercise is all the instability created with the feet on the line and having the feet up higher. Okay? So now progression 3. Still moving slow and integrated. Remember to breathe. Have fun with that one. Okay guys, till next time, keep training.